angels, it's me, Heaven, and welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn post notifications on. Today I'm going to be doing a skincare routine. I wanted to remind you guys that we are actually in the middle of a subscriber giveaway. So once my channel reaches 300 subscribers, one lucky angel will be receiving this palette from yours truly. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Alright, today we are going to be doing a little bit of skincare. So as you guys know, I always like to test it out first and see if it works good for my skin. I have really weird skin. So I have really oily, acne prone skin. There are 3 little products in this set. Now each of these products you cannot buy in the actual set, which I thought was pretty weird. You would have to buy each of these products separately, although they do have a Redefine collection that comes in a set. Alright, I've got my phone pulled out and let's go ahead and read a little bit about what this is. This is the Daily Cleansing Mask in the Redefine collection. And let's see what it's supposed to do. It says, gently draws impurities from the skin and leaves it feeling and looking younger with Redefine Daily Cleansing Mask. Notice how much softer your skin feels once you introduce the Redefine Daily Cleansing Mask to your skincare routine. This creamy Canilin clay-based cleansing mask for a 4.2 full fluid ounce bottle, $43. That's enough reading. Let's just open it up. Now, I love that this is just a very small container or unicarton or whatever you want to call it, because with the Freeman facial masks, I did notice that honestly, one of those could last me a week. Like that, there was so much product on there and really it was just a waste. So I'm very happy that this is, oh my god, that smells so fresh. Alright, let's just take some on our fingers. Oh, what does that smell remind me of? Oh, like really clean, fresh sheets. Okay, so I feel the exfoliator in it. I feel like there's little grains of stuff in there. I really like that. Wow, I really like the smell. It says it's fast drying, so I want to hurry up and get it in place before it dries. Okay, so off the bat, I'm feeling a tingling sensation in my really oily areas. So it says to give this 1 to 2 minutes to completely dry down. I'm not sure that if it's going to be flaky or not, so let me go make a cup of coffee and I'll be right back with it dry so we can finish talking about it. Okay, so it's been a couple of minutes and I can already feel the tightening of my face. I want to say, if you've seen my review on the Freeman facial masks, it'll be linked in the description box. Go ahead and check that video out. I noticed that when that mask dried down, it was very tight, almost like you couldn't move your face. This one, it is tight, but it's also smooth, if that makes sense. It's like, it doesn't hurt when you move it around, but I can still feel that my face is very tight. Let me just go and wash this off really quickly, and then let's move on to step number 2. Alright, so I could not find anything about this little nugget right here on the actual website. This individual product does come in a set. It is called the Redefined Collection. What it's supposed to do, let's get right onto that. It says, reveal and maintain fuller, younger looking lips with conditioning peptides and vitamins. So it says, twist open the silver capsule and apply onto the lips to visibly smooth the lip texture and reduce the appearance of lip wrinkles. I'm just going to, I guess, pinch it and pull it off. Oh, it's squirted. Okay. These are almost too little to work with. Like, I can't imagine someone with longer nails than what I have trying to mess with this little thing. Can we just get a pump and we can move on to step number 3, which is another all over the face product. This crap on my lips has still not dried down. Alright, so this one is a little, ooh, it's like, oh, it has like a bluish green shift to it. Let's do a little part first. Oh wow. Remaining product, let's just dot it to make sure that it goes on evenly. Why I don't like trying new things, because I get scared of having Frank, Esther, and George come visit me. My final thoughts, I was not a big fan of the lip renewing serum. That did not dry down, not at all worth the price point, so I'm gonna definitely have to pass on the lip serum. Now for the daily cleansing clay mask, 100% loved it. It was not as drying as the Freeman one, and I'm actually thinking maybe I should do a Battle of the Brands skincare edition. If you guys want to see that video, drop it in my comments and let me know. Last but not least, let's quickly talk about the intensive renewing serum. My skin, you guys, my skin is so soft and supple that my skin underneath my under eyes is not weird and crazy and cracky like it usually is. And overall, this has been a very great experience. And I guess that's it for today's video. I hope you guys had fun. If at any point during this video you guys smirked a little bit, then don't forget to throw me up a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn post notifications on. I love spending each and every moment that I can with you guys. You've officially been touched by heaven.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.